Hey guys, this is day 23 of my 365 Air Tool Challenge, and today I'm testing something that billions of people already have on their phones, but almost nobody actually uses it. It's Meta AI, and here's the cool part: it's already built into Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Messenger, so you don't need to download another app. You can just use AI right inside the app you are using every single day. Let me show you how. So you have two options. So the first one and the easiest option is you just log into any social media means any Meta app. So you can use a Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and if you don't have any of this account, you can just go to meta.com and sign up there. You can sign up with the email or phone number, and so I'm going to sign up with my Facebook. So once you finish sign up, you can see this interface, and this interface also looks very similar to ChatGPT and other chatbots. So we can, on left side bar, you can see you can start with a new chat. You have a search option, you have a vibe and create. So let's let's go step by steps. So the first one is a new chat, same like other chat assistant. So you can ask any questions. So for example, I'll just say uh, create a learning plan for agile project management. So you have two different mode: instant, that always give you a quick answer, and now another one is thinking. So it will take some time, but you get a better response. And so for this one, I'll just choose the instant and just click enter, and you can see, so you got the response. So it gave me 4 week agile PM learning plan. So week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So we can see we got the response, and it's very similar to other chatbots. So not big difference. Now let's try another feature. So same like other chatbot, you can add file, you can add media and files here. So I'll upload one file and ask to some summarize in a one sentence. Summarize in one sentence. So you can say summarize the PDF file in one sentence. Now try create picture. It let you create an image or video for you. So you just describe what you want. So I'll just say Kathmandu city in 2050, 2000 Kathmandu city in 2050, and enter. So we can see now the photo looks amazing, and you can even animate. So you just click on animate, and now you can see the result for yourself. And and the coolest part is you can even edit prompt. So you can edit prompt. So you can see, so what's written in prompt, and it says futuristic Kathmandu city in 2050 Nepal, blend of traditional Newari architecture, modern eco-friendly skyscrapers, electric vehicle, clean Bagmati river. So and we can see we got this result because of this prompt. And you can edit from here. So you can edit prompt, you can add music as well. So for example, I'll just click on add music. I don't have any save music, so I can put any music and just apply, and you can apply. So so after applying this music, you can see. So after applying this music, you can see the result now. So if you want to download the video, you just click on this button on the download icon, and yeah, you can see it's download complete, and you can use it anywhere, wherever you want. And yes, so it's done. So same with the video, you just describe what you want. So for example, okay, so I'll just say again, I'll ask to generate video of dog feeding food to poor man, and click enter. So we can see we got the perfect result. The dog is in the video, the dog is trying to feed food to poor man. And you can, so you can do the same thing again. You can change a prompt. You can change the animation. You can add music, you can extend animation, you can restyle what. And the cool part is you can do all for free. We don't even have to subscribe for premium. So I think, yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.